Hi, my name is Said Ibrahimi and I am back to you with another video. This video is about 38 stylized wood alphas and brushes. This is a 6 volume, so here I'm going to show you how to use these brushes. You see I have a bridge here. This is the base mesh. First I mask the other planks. I don't want my alpha to intervene with the other planks. I mask them and I drag my alpha on each plank separately. I want to show you here my different alphas, their shapes and how do they look on this bridge. You can see here that I mask, I choose my alpha and I drag it, and in the upper section I adjust the intensity of my alpha with adjust last button. You can find it in stroke part. The stroke menu, you can find adjust last there, and by increasing and decreasing it you can adjust the intensity of your alpha or what have you done previously. You can see here I've got 38 alphas here. Their uses are different. You can use them what best suits your project. Here I'm using it on the planks of our stylized bridge. For each plank I'm using different alphas that you can see what's going on with these pack. Also, this pack includes 2 age rings that I'm going to use it here too, and you can see it. Also, I've got another pack that it's especially for age rings, and in the volume 2 also there are 5 age rings too. That we're purchasing that volume, you can see you can use wood alphas and beside them you can have age rings. You see here my age rings. I just put 2 age rings here because I said before I have packs for it, specialized packs for it. This is my 6th volume. Hope you enjoy it, and you can purchase it from the link in the description. Thank you so much.